Hello and welcome to the touristbee.com video series. And in this video, we will talk about planning your trip to Lucca in Tuscany, Italy. Again, this is not a video where I show you pictures and videos to convince you to visit Lucca, but this video is about planning your trip to this beautiful place in Lucca. You know you want to go visit, or you're wondering if you're going to go visit, how you're going to plan it, how you're going to see most things in Lucca. So this video is about planning your trip, finding the walking routes and the best things to see, all in a short video without any fluff. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel where I regularly post walking tours and planning trips. And also look in the description below and you'll find a link to my article that goes with this video with a lot more details as to where to park and where to stay and a lot more pictures. So without further ado, let's plan your trip to Lucca, especially if you come for the first time. So Lucca is located in Tuscany, uh, in Italy. You see here Florence, and you see Lucca here to the west. You see the big, the city of Pisa, even more to the west, to the southwest. And then up here is Cinque Terre, just to give you an idea as to where Lucca is located. So let's go into town. The old town of Lucca, as you can see here, is right in the middle of town. And it is surrounded by the medieval wall. As you can see, this nice shape right here. It's called the Renaissance Wall. It's beautiful. You can walk on it. Um, so you're coming to Lucca. My favorite part of coming to Lucca after either you come by a car. If you come by car, look for parcheggio. Parcheggio here. There's a small parking lot over here. This is my favorite entrance point, Porta San Pietro. So if you can park here or you find another parking area over here maybe, you can look at my article in the description below with places to park your car. Or if you come by bus, stop at one of these bus stations to walk right into town. So as you can see, it is a very compact old town. With most of the attractions is you walk from the gate here in the south and you walk your way all the way to Piazza del Anfiteatro. This is the center of Lucca. This is the lively circular square that was built on a former Roman Colosseum. This is what makes Lucca famous and attractive, along with other things. So let's dive into Lucca itself and see how we're going to plan our trip. So this is my map of Lucca and its attractions. And as you can see, we're walking from the south and we're going to Piazza Napoleone. We go to, um, there's the square where Puccini was born, and you see the green walking paths, and there's several ways. There's the Duomo to the east or to the right. There's the famous tower right here of Lucca, the one with trees that grow on top of it, and this is Piazza Anfiteatro. This is the center of town. So we're walking from the south, going north, and also towards the northern gate. So looking at the map again, starting um, on the south through Piazza Porta San Pietro, and we walk up. Via Nazionale, Via Giordano. This is the first piazza, Piazza Napoleone, or Piazza Grande, the large square. This is the first piazza that you walk to, and it is full of trees. Um, and we walk up to Piazza San Michele. So this is again a beautiful church that you should visit. Um, and to the right is Torre dell'Oro. So this is a beautiful tower with a famous clock that it's worth seeing. So again, um, right. So this is the walking path to the tower, and then moving up or up this way, and then to the right, seeing the other tower that I'll show you. So from Torre del Oro, you want to walk here to Torre Guinigi. So this is the one with trees on top, and you see them here. So we're making our way north to Piazza dell'Anfiteatro. And on the way there, there is the Puccini Square, the famous musician, and the Puccini Museum right here. So from Piazza San Michele, immediately to the left, we see here the Puccini Museum with a small um, square with the statue of Giacomo Puccini. If you want to visit his museum, this is where it is. And then you come back and then you move to the right, Torre Guigini. You can walk up this way, you can walk up this way, and eventually to get to Piazza dell'Anfiteatro. To the left also of the piazza, there is another famous tourist attraction in Lucca is Palazzo Faner that you can also visit with beautiful gardens. And you work your way north to Porta Santa Maria, which is one beautiful gate to the north of Lucca. Again, you can come from the north if you want to park here, if you find parking here, or you come by bus. You can walk on your way south. The way we walked from south to north, you could walk from north to south. Piazza dell'Anfiteatro is connected through these streets to various parts to the south and to the east. And make sure that you take some time to walk on the wall, either way, either in the north or in the south, and take your time to walk to visit also Il Duomo di San Martino. It's a beautiful church. You can do it on your way from Piazza Napoleone. You go to the east, and then you walk your way back up. Again, all of these are in the article that I've linked below, along with some of the resources. And there you have it. This is how you should plan, or that you can plan your own trip to Lucca, Italy, especially if you've never been there. This video will take you from not knowing where to start and what to see to planning your day in Lucca, Italy, in Tuscany.